Dear students, today we are going to do the experiment in the PSpice lab, that is biased positive and negative clipper. So for that, first click on OrCAD Capture, then take file, new project, then type the name as biased positive, biased positive, and you have to select the location and then click OK. Then again create a blank project, OK. Then this screen will be appearing. Place a part, click P. Then first vSign, type vSign, then OK. Escape, then resistor, click R, OK. Then escape, then diode D1N4007, OK. Click on the screen, then escape. Before that we have to rotate the diode. For that click R on the keyboard, then escape. Then for drawing wire, click W on the keyboard, then drag from one node to other node, then escape. And next we have to place a DC source. For that place a part P, click P on the keyboard, then type VDC, then OK, and place it after the diode, then escape. Then draw wire. For that click W on the keyboard and drag from one node to another node and connect all the nodes by using that wire, then escape. Then place the ground from the tool side, OK. Then drag it on the screen and escape. Then for writing the value, click on the 1K value resistance and type 3.3K. Then VDC, double click and type 3 volt, OK. Next V offset is 0 volt, OK. And double click 5 volt V amplitude, then double click frequency, that is 1000 hertz, then escape. Then PSpice new simulation profile, type the name as a positive clipper, positive biased, then create. After that PSpice OK. Then we have to simulation setting is 3 millisecond, maximum step size is 10 microsecond, OK. Then place net alias, we have to name input waveform, net alias input, OK. Then click on the input side, then escape. Then place net alias again, output we can type output, OK. Then place it at the output side where we are going to take output, then escape. Next we have to place the input and output node, click on that tool and click the input side. Again at the click on the output side, then escape. After that we can run the PSpice. Now the output waveform is appearing. You can see here that it is a positive clipper. Clipping level, you can see that here it is clipped at the side 3.6. You know the working, and it is clipped at 3.6 and negative side is not clipped. And again you can see the waveform on different plot. Add to plot, then go to trace and cursor, add trace, that is V input, OK. Then V input is appearing there, and we have to delete the other V input from the second window. Now for seeing the value, go to trace, cursor, display. Then you can click at a particular point on the output waveform and click on that tool. So the value at the output waveform is 3.5315. Actually it is corresponding to 3.6. Theoretical value is 3.6. Now it is 3.5. That means positive side is clipped at the point 3.5 volt. And first value is 253.659 microsecond. Actually it is the time elapsed from the starting point to that particular point. So this is the way we are getting the points on the output waveform. Okay, for getting the point, you have to first separate the input and output waveforms on separate windows. So that's all about the positive clipper. Next we can do the negative clipper. We can do negative clipper clipping at -3 volt. You know the circuit diagram, and here the changes is diode connection is reversed. Also the voltage VDC connection is also reversed. Okay, that is the only difference here, and all the rest of the portions are the same, and the circuit is done using the same previous steps. So now we can run the circuit. So you can see in the waveform the output is in red color, and you can see that negative side of the output waveform is clipped off. And for seeing the particular value, you have to split this input and output waveform. For that, plot, add to plot window, then click on that plot window, trace, add plot, V input, OK, and we have to delete input waveform from the lower window. Click delete. So now the input and output are at different windows. For seeing the point, trace cursor, then click on that particular point and then click on that tool. So the particular voltage at that point is clipped point is -3.5313. That means it is near to -3.6 volt. Okay. So by theoretically we have obtained the value at -3.6 volt. Now here also we are getting the voltage at the that is output waveform is clipped at -3.5 volt. Okay. So this is the way we are doing the negative clipper at a particular bias, clipped at a particular voltage, that is at -3 volt.